I just ran into something in Elementor version 4 that I didn't expect. And honestly, it's a bit frustrating. Because up until now, I was actually pretty open to the new workflow. I like where this is going. I gave it time. And I was totally fine with the idea of mixing version 3 widgets and version 4 elements. Elementor even communicates it like that.
Version 4 atomic elements and version 3 classic widgets, side by side. You can keep using your existing V3 widgets alongside the new atomic elements.
But here's the problem. I was building a UI card and used an icon list widget inside it. Pretty normal setup. And I wanted to turn that into a component. But right now, you can only create components if everything is built with version 4 elements. No version 3 widgets allowed. And that's not just a small limitation, that's a real blocker. Because it means the moment you mix in version 3, you basically lose access to one of the most important features in version 4. And that changes everything. Because now it's not just style this one element differently, it's you can't use the system at all. And that's where it gets tricky. Because I actually like the idea behind components, but this creates a gap between what's promised and what actually works right now. And for real projects, that's hard to work with. So Elementor, I'm curious, how are web designers with real client work supposed to handle this? Are we expected to rebuild everything in version 4? Or is there a workflow I'm missing? Because right now, this feels like a bigger limitation than it should be. So what I'm going to do next is rebuild this icon list using version 4 elements, and then turn the whole thing into a component in the next video. Because I still like where Elementor version 4 is going. The system makes sense, but right now, this whole idea of just mix version 3 and version 4 doesn't really work in practice, at least not if you actually want to use components. So yeah, I'll rebuild this properly and show you the full workflow in the next video.